Hi, would you like to know how to turn on or turn off feature named Live to Wake on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? So, if I'll try to fastly explain this feature, every time when your phone is just chilling on the table and you will lift it up, if this feature is enabled, your phone will light up so you can unlock it faster. And to find this feature in the settings, firstly we would need to, of course, open them. And now scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Advanced Features. Here is it. Now we would need to open it and here go to this tab which is named Motion and Gestures. So open this tab as well and here take a look on this first feature that you can see in the list. This is the Live to Wake, and to enable or disable this feature we would need to click on the slider at the right edge of your phone. So if the slider is gray, Live to Wake is disabled, and by clicking on it now it's blue, which means it's disabled. So next time when I will lift my phone from a table, it will wake up. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.